5 home remedies for acid reflux and GERD. Acid reflux is characterized by heartburn or burning pain around the lower chest area due to the stomach acid moving up to the esophagus. A long tube connecting the throat to the stomach, this pain tends to worsen when you lie down or bend over. Severe or chronic acid reflux is preferred to gastrointestinal reflux disease. In addition to the heartburn, it may also give rise to symptoms like nausea, a sour taste in the mouth, sore throat, dry cough, and also chest pain. If left untreated, it can cause serious complications including bloated esophagus and esophageal cancer. The exact cause of acid reflux disease is still not known, but it is clear that the factors like smoking, obesity, pregnancy, certain foods, genetics, malfunctioning of the lower esophageal sphincter muscles, stomach abnormalities like hiatal hernia, and certain medications may contribute to the problems. Frequent and severe bouts of acid reflux require medical treatment. If you experience only mild symptoms, you can also try some natural home remedies to get relief. If the problem occurs more than twice a week, always consult your doctor. Number 1 is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is one of the best and most effective home remedies for acidic reflux. This aids the digestion and helps to balance the acid production in the stomach. Mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of organic raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar in 1 cup of warm water. Drink it 20 to 30 times before eating a meal. Do this on regular basis at least for a few months. You can also drink apple cider vinegar mixed in water when heartburn strikes. Number 2 is baking soda. Baking soda is also known as sodium bicarbonate is a natural antacid that provides quick relief from the heartburn. The most common symptoms of the acid reflux. Mix 1/2 of 1 tablespoon of the baking soda in a cup of water. Drink it down quickly for instant relief. Number 3 is aloe vera. Due to this healing and anti-inflammatory properties, aloe vera helps to soothe the inflammation in the stomach and esophagus to bring relief from the effect of the acidic reflux. Simply drink 1/4 cup of the aloe vera juice and then you can take it 20 minutes prior to eating a meal. Number 4 is chewing gum. A study published in the Journal of Dental Research found that the chewing a piece of sugar-free gum for about 30 minutes after a meal can help to relieve the symptoms of GERD. It stimulates the production of saliva, which in turn washes away the acid accumulated in the gut. Being alkaline saliva also helps to neutralize the stomach acid. You can also have a sugar-free chewing gum after meal to ease your acid reflux. Number 5 is licorice root. Licorice root is beneficial for acid reflux because of its stomach healing properties. It soothes the mucous membrane and protects the lining of the gut, reduces the gastric inflammation and decreases the gastric spasms. Boil 1/2 of the teaspoon of the licorice root powder in a cup of water, strain and drink it 15 to 20 minutes before meal. Use this remedy 2 or 3 times a day for a week.
Hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.